this should be the final for the fixed wing or flywing. Okay, I will show you how to do it with using Devo 7E and Devo 601 receiver. Hello everyone, it's been a very long time I'm not uploading my video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share a tutorial for making not making the airplane, but how to set up this Devo 7E so it can fly this kind of aeromodeling plane, because it has the same method. It's just like a Flywing or Deltawing. What's that mean? That mean pull the if we pull the elevation, so the elevation should be up together or down together, and when we need to turn left or right, so both of the aileron should be counter direction. The problem is the default of the all of the transmitter and receiver cannot do that, so we have to put some extra setting on it. So let's go. You can see this is the electronic components. So I have one 3S LiPo battery, one 30 amp ESC, two servos 9G, one receiver, and one Devo 7E. This receiver is only 6 channel. First channel is for elevation, second channel is for the aileron, third channel is for the throttle. So I will put this ESC for throttle, because ESC is direct connect to the motor. So I have to put this on the throttle channel. And then the first servo is the elevation, the second servo is on the aileron. I will not talking about the motors, the throttle, because that is easy, but this is the difficult one, that these two servos should be go. If I move the elevation, it should be go together in the same way, right on the left, right or left. And when I turn the aileron, it should be moving counter each other. This is still the default. So let's see. Power up. Okay, so on, and let's see the result. This is the default. Elevation, aileron. This is the normal setup for any airplane, but for the Flywing or Deltawing, you cannot use this configuration. It should be moving together at the same time. So what we have to do is change the setting on the transmitter, of course. Okay, this still a default. So let's change the setting. You can go to the model menu, and you can use any model or using any empty channel or anything. Use any empty and go to the mixers. In the mixers, you have to change. This is channel 1, 2, 3, 4. Channel 1 is elevation, channel 2 aileron. So first I going to change the channel 1. Change the symbol to the complex. Okay, and then mixer, we are using two mixers, two pages, but first we have to set up the page 1. Page 1 switch none, mux is replaced, and then source is elevation, curve change it to 1 to 1. scale 100 and done. And go to the next page, page 2, switch none. Mux, we have to change it to the add. Mux is add, because we have to add the aileron to the elevation channel. The curve, change it to 1 to 1. Sorry, 1 to 1. And scale still 100. And done. Finish. Save. Now going to the second channel, channel 2. Change it to the complex. And mixers, we are using 2 mixers. Set up first for the page 1. Switch on. Mux is replaced. Source using elevation. And then curve using 1 to 1. Scale still 100. And go to the page 2. Switch none. Mux is add, because you are adding aileron. Yes, we are adding aileron to aileron. And then the curve you using 1 to 1, so we can change the scale to minus 100. Change it to minus 100. Okay, done. Save. Back and see the result. They are moving together and moving counter direction. Finish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm sorry for my bad English. Sorry. Apologize.